I'm showing you is the final product, the gates here. What I did is I made rope hinges, and then took the load, made this with a taut line hinge so I can adjust it up and down so I can line up everything. Same on this side, and then we put diagonals in to keep the gate from sagging. And then right down here I've got my this is a gate lock, simple sliding bolt. You can just see that takes it out, and there's the gate opening. I also do have an extra rope on top that can be used. Sandy has little difficulty with this sliding bolt, but it's not really that hard. It's just, you know. So there's the hinges. Everything's in place. All right, the only other thing, then I'll show you the front gate. So this is the side gate. It's a double opener. So I can get wide things like, you know, riding tractors or something in here if I need to. Anyway, so that's this side of the gate, and okay, so that's it. That's the gate from back here, and there's your fence. So and then here's the front gate. This one's much simpler. I just put a bungee cord, hooked up a bungee cord system. So all you got to do is pop the rope off the top, and you can get through it. And this one I put two ropes, one to support the height, and one to actually give this a little bit of support. Not that it necessarily needs it. And then as you can see, this is the bungee cord gate. So this is how it opens. It had to clear this root here. And then one other thing I wanted to show you guys was the caps that I put on the junctions. So this is to keep the water from getting down into the posts. This is a tie off here. And then I put this on there. It's real simple. Same thing on all of my joints that go straight through. And then on the ones that didn't go straight through, I actually caulked those so the water doesn't get down in the top of the posts. So hopefully that's going to keep buy me a longevity in the fence, keep those things from rotting out. So yeah, and so this is what it looks like from the inside, not done by the aerial view. I'm hoping my stabilization's working again. When I last used it, it didn't seem to be working. So if it's not, I guess I'm going to have to send this in to get it fixed. So you can see the caps here on top of the fence. And they're just tied on. And then I did go around and caulk with clear caulk so it doesn't destroy the natural look with anything that could get water inside of them. This water is the biggest enemy. And then the only thing I have left to do is I'm going to paint it out with, I believe I'm going to use a linseed oil. So yeah, this is the look, the final finished look. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah, Missy. So this is all I've got left of the bamboo. And actually, I'm going to do one panel, which is, you know, my sections. I'm going to do one, replace this wired fence here I'm going to do a bamboo across here, and a bamboo gate, make it look nicer. And then that can keep the cats like to hang out in the back, and if we ever get a dog, then the dog will be out front, so it'll keep them separate. Anyway, so that's the gist of everything. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. For anybody that wants to try this, let me remind you, this was 6 months in the making, and it's a lot of work. Somebody may be able to come up with a faster way of doing it, of this style, but I don't know how. Anyway, so there you have it. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and for anybody that's thinking about it, think long and hard. There's probably faster ways of doing bamboo fences, but this is not one of them. But it's a good strong fence. It should keep the dog in, and well, that's it. I hope you guys like it. Aloha, and we will talk to you at another time.